Welcome. This episode we're going to build part 5-46P Lubricator Ratchet for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we're going to build part 5-46P Lubricator Ratchet for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. So first let's go File, New, Part MMGS. Okay, so let's go to Front View, Sketch, go into a circle. That's going to be 25, it's a smart dimension. 25. Now we want to go. Let's actually put that as a. Oh, let me go there. Let me put that circle as a construction for now. We're going to do a center line from there to there. Let's just zoom into there. We want to do now a line from there to there to there. Now actually let's do another line from actually there to there. Now this here is going to be from this point to that point. Nope, cancel that, I missed something. Yeah, thank you. This line to that line, thank you, is going to be 54 degrees. There we go. Let me get rid of that line. So now we need the height for that, which doesn't give us the height. But it's going to be 40 of them around. So there's going to be 40 of this around the saw. So if we do linear, we pick you and you. Nope. Entity pattern, okay. Hold on, cancel. Wrong one. Sorry. Circular pattern, that's what I meant, sorry. So we're going to do that pattern and that pattern. So we've got, okay, round there, that's fine, but we want 7, no, we want 40. So let's go into 40, see what happens. Does it actually line up, does it? What do we want? Oh, it's got a line up automatically, isn't it? Yeah. But we grab that and move it. Oh, we can't move up in there. It does give the dimension there. It says 25 is the outer circle. That's 54 degrees. Let me just pop out of there for a minute. Let me just move that one. See what happens if I do that. Just out of curiosity. So we want to do circular. 40. Sorry. 40. That one and that one. Yes, that's crossing there now. If we go back that way. Circular. With that pen there, I think. Clear. There is 40. Yeah, it didn't match. Did we get it right first time? Yeah, that sounds right. Yeah, undo that. Let me zoom back in. So we're going to have clear view. Yeah, that one. So let's go to circular. We've got that pen and that pen at 40. Nope, it did not quite. Okay, so it's got to be a little bit more. If I join them, what happens? Oh, there you go. Oh, that's moving. What's moving? Ah, oh, circle's moving. Okay, yeah. Okay, I think I might have actually, if I, yeah, it's going to go outside the circle. So we've got that. Okay, let's go in. Now, how can we do that? Actually, I know what we can do. Let's do another circle. Let's just change that construction. Now we want that line and that circle. Can we join that? Now, if we smart dimension that circle, 21.9, all that locks it in. There you go. Let me. Oh, I'm still dimension. No one's. No one. Let me. I can't hide that. Oh, probably go to schedule. Probably just be. Oh. Oh yeah, we haven't thickened it. It is 4 mil thick. That helps. 4 mil, and done. There we go. Yeah, of course it's going to disappear and go out. Well, it's 4 mil thick. Huh. Yeah, it says 4 millimeters thick. And that was 25, 21.9. What put that 22? What happens? No, it's just taking it smaller. Okay, we got there. Okay, let me just move that a bit. There you go. Okay, that wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. Okay. So that is part 5. Oh, no, we're not done yet. So we've got center hole. Ooh, get ahead of myself. Do a sketch circle in the middle. That's going to be 5 mil. 5. Feature. Extrude cut. Through all and done. Okay, now it's done. That's better. Double check. 2 circles. T's. Yeah, that's it. There's 40 Z equals 40, so that'd be the T's. 5% hole, 25 hours, 54 degrees. All right, now it's definitely done. That is part 5-46P Lubricator Ratchet. Where else I forgot to put the L in there. Man, I've spelled that stuff wrong. Thank you for coming along. This is for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. I'll see you next episode. Remember, keep designing. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode, we're going to build part 5-46P Lubricator Ratchet for the classic